Welcome back to a new accumulation zone video. In today's video I will be covering the new pause version 1 strategy. I've started coding it a little while ago and I got back to it and did some optimizations and modified some settings, and I finally found the settings I was searching for on a Bitcoin USDT 1 hour time frame. I also tested it and optimized it on Ethereum, and this strategy is going to be part of the new accumulation zone VIP membership. And if you haven't signed up for our VIP membership yet, we have a current limited time offer of 50% off, where you can lock in your VIP membership price at $25 per month. Alright, I think now it's time to check the strategy results we found here. I optimized the strategy for Bitcoin and Ethereum on a 1 hour time frame. So a little bit of a higher time frame strategy. You can of course also use the candle coloring. I integrated into the strategy on a lower time frame and maybe optimize the settings on a lower time frame. But I tried to focus on a higher time frame because I'm not scalping the crypto markets. I'm only watching higher time frames, and I've been working on a profitable strategy for so long that works on crypto, and it's specifically designed for the crypto market. That's what we have here. So we have a total amount of trades of 400 trades with a win rate of 41.75%. But if we check the settings, you can see here that we're using a risk reward ratio of 1.9. So having a win rate above 40% is still profitable. If we use a swing sensitivity of 5, which basically means we're using, for a short trade, we're using the highest point of the last 5 candles, and for a long trade, we're using the lowest point of the last 5 candles. We use an EMA filter of 370, that's optimized. We're not trading on Sunday, and we're not trading around midnight, according to GMT +1, and we're risking 2% per trade. And for our pause indicator, we're using a length of 240. Down here, everything's already integrated for you as a VIP member to connect it up and hook it up with free commerce or Alertatron. All the information you will find either in the Google Drive or if you hover over this information button. But let's continue looking at the results. So we have a win rate of 41.75%, a maximum amount of losing trades in a row, sitting at 8 losing trades in a row. Winning trades in a row sitting at 6. We have a profit factor of 1.45 and a net profit of 357.75% by risking 2% per trade. This is a Forex backtester. That's a disclaimer. This is a Forex backtester. So in order to make those 357.75% return by risking 2% per trade, you would have to trade Bitcoin USDT on, for example, a MetaTrader using a Forex broker. So for example, 8cap, or I think also Bybit also offers a MetaTrader version, so you can also trade it on Bybit. The important thing is that you're using lot sizes to enter into the market and not a basic position size you would do if you, for example, traded on Binance, Qcoin, Bybit, whatsoever. So very simple. And yeah, so that's a Forex backtester. So if you watch those profit results and the wins in a row and the drawdown and everything, you have to trade it with lot sizes. That's really important. But if we check the TradingView strategy tester, what I've done is I simulated a $10,000 account. And basically what we're doing is we're trading 1 Bitcoin the whole time. So you basically need a 1.6 leverage for this. And if we check the strategy backtest and we do a deep backtesting result, I go back to the first day available and select today, and we generate the report. And let's have a look at those results. So we see we also closed a total of 400 trades. So that's matching up with our trade section right here. We started on April 11th, 2022. The win rate's matching up. And now look at this net profit based on a $10,000 account. I think after 2 years, just by using this strategy, you would have made a net profit of 743% after a total of 400 closed trades. And compared to the max drawdown, if you compare it percentage-wise, is sitting at 25%. And our net profit is sitting at 743. So that's almost 20, 25, 30 times our drawdown 30 times is our net profit basically. So it's a very good net profit to drawdown ratio. I think our biggest drawdown occurred right here. I'm not sure when it was because it's not showing me the date, but I could imagine that this was our biggest drawdown right here. So this is the TradingView strategy tester results. I also tested it on Ethereum USDT on a 1 hour chart and optimized the settings. We see we actually made even more net profit, but we have one more losing trade in a row. Our win rate is also sitting around 41 to 42%, and we took 74 trades more than we did on Bitcoin. And most of the time on Ethereum it's a bit trickier. I mean, we still make more net profit, and if we check the TradingView strategy backtester, let me draw it up, select the first available day, we see the curve is actually growing a little bit nicer than on Bitcoin. Our net profit to max drawdown ratio is a little bit smaller, but it's still looking very nice for a 1 hour strategy after a backtesting period of 474 trades. Not just 100 trades, 474, without human errors. If, for example, TraderIQ or someone else is backtesting a strategy manually, it's always an invitation for human errors to happen. With a script, you don't have it. It's simply striped out of the equation. So after looking at those results, we can see that this strategy is also profitable on Ethereum. I have not tested it on any other altcoins because I like to trade highly liquid markets, especially if I'm trading it, for example, on my Forex broker or Bybit with the MetaTrader version. I need to have tight spreads, and I'm only gonna get tight spreads on highly liquid markets. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching this video to the end. If you want to support me, make sure to drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really helps me out a lot to grow the community and everything else. So I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next Accumulation Zone video. Take care guys.